my mango banana shake. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a mango banana shake. So I'm gonna get started guys. I have one mango frozen cut up, one ripe banana and some dried cherry, and I have some almond milk, 2 tablespoons. I have some cube ice and I have my bullets, some water, and I'm gonna get started. I will proceed by adding the fruits to the bullet. I'm gonna cover this and I'm gonna proceed to blend. And there you have it. Let me glass this for you now guys. Just look at the richness, the color, everything about the shake looks so delicious. And that's it guys, my mango banana shake. I do hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let me taste it for you. It is oh so delicious, right? Don't forget to try this recipe out. Okay guys, you will love it. So guys, go ahead and try this shake. The entire family will love it. And guys, before you go, remember to like my video, share it to your friends and your families, and leave a comment below. Thank you. Thank you for watching guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Guys, before you go, please check out these 2 videos. Thank you.